Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're breaking down AirTalk Wireless. Is it still a good option? Let's get into it. So, AirTalk Wireless is a budget-friendly MVNO designed for people who want simple, affordable wireless service without getting locked into long-term contracts. Since it runs on major carrier networks, you get solid nationwide coverage, which means reliable calls and steady data in most urban and suburban areas. Perfect for students, light to moderate data users, or anyone trying to cut down that monthly bill. Now, one of the biggest reasons people pick AirTalk is its straightforward plans. Every plan includes unlimited talk and text, and then you just choose the data amount you need. From very small data allowances for casual users all the way up to higher tiers for people who stream or use a lot of apps. Another big plus, AirTalk supports BYOD or bring your own device. You can keep your current phone, pop in a SIM, and you're good to go. Some plans even include a mobile hotspot, which is great if you need to connect a laptop while traveling. Managing your account is super easy too. They've got an online portal and mobile app where you can check usage, pay your bill, or change plans. No hidden fees, no tricky fine print. They also offer multi-line options, which makes it a good pick for families. And of course, it's not perfect. Compared to major carriers, AirTalk has limited international roaming, no device financing, and fewer premium perks. But honestly, that's a trade-off for keeping prices low. So the bottom line, in 2025, AirTalk Wireless is still a strong choice if you want affordable, reliable mobile service without paying for extras you'll never use. It's practical, simple, and cost-effective. Exactly what many budget-conscious users are looking for. That's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!